This lesson will cover the basic maintenance on a Stihl chainsaw. After each use, the chainsaw must be maintained to keep it ready for peak performance. The chainsaw needs to be checked daily for proper fluid levels, run on a weekly basis to ensure proper function, and the fuel changed each month to help keep the carburetor from becoming clogged. First, the entire saw should be wiped down to remove any large surface debris. Next, the chain bar retainer side cover is removed by loosening the two side cover nuts and loosening the chain bar tensioning screw. Carefully remove the chain and bar from the sprocket and wipe off the majority of the sawdust and debris. WD-40 spray is used to clean out the oil galley holes located near the drive sprocket end of the chain. The groove in the bar can be cleaned using the screwdriver end of the supplied wrench, and the bar should be inspected for excessive wear. Check the chain for wear, broken or missing carbide tips, and replace the chain if necessary. A carbide chain is out of service if 2 tips in a row are broken or missing, or a total of 5 tips are broken or missing on a 20-inch chain. Lastly, the air filter and cover are cleaned by first placing the choke lever in the full choke position. Then remove the air filter cover and 3-stage air filter. Use a clean, soft bristle brush to remove excessive sawdust and debris particles. Check the air filter for excessive wear or damage and replace if necessary. Use the brush to clean the air filter cover and around the carburetor air inlet. Care should be taken to keep debris from entering the carburetor. Once the air filter, its cover, and the area around the carburetor are cleaned, replace the air filter and cover. Replace the chain and bar and hand tighten the side cover nuts. Adjust the chain tension using the screwdriver end of the wrench until the chain has no more than 3 to 5 drive teeth above the bar when pulled. Tighten the side cover nuts using the supplied wrench using one hand only. Care should be taken not to over-tighten the side cover nuts. Fill up the fuel tank with a 50-to-1 premixed fuel and top off the bar oil reservoir with chain bar oil. The saw is ready to start and check for smooth operation. If the saw is not running properly, place it out of service and send it in for repair by an authorized technician.